YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm doing my roleplay by myself. This is just like a, episode 0, you know, what do they call it? A prologue, or epilogue. Prologue, I'm just gonna say prologue. I'll research it later, whatever it is the title. Anyway, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for this intro. And I'll see y'all later. Good. I'll see you in the video. 3, 2, 1. That was a nice little school. The teacher went off because I slept. Why do I always sleep during school? Luckily, I still am good. Oh, yeah, teacher's back. Hi, teacher. Hi, teacher. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, I don't feel like sleeping again. Oh. Yeah, I'm done, guys. I'm done. Okay. I'll get my things from my locker. I'll get my things from my locker. My mom. Screw school. I'm ditching school. Mwahahahaha. I'm just gonna go fishing and then. Come on, fish. Yes. Wait, what's happening? What's it? No, what the? Oh, what's happening? What? Huh? Where am I? Why am I here? What have a grenade in this thing? That explodes. Where am I? I guess this. What is this place? What do I have a grenade launcher? Wait, what happened now? I don't want to die. What happens if I go up close here? Will I die? I have no idea. Wait, I didn't die. I'm immune. Oh yeah, this. Well, I play a lot of Fortnite, so I should know how to do this. Where am I? Where's the strange place? All I do is ditch school, then I came here. First of all, I just ditched school because my teacher left. There's this girl who I thought was my teacher, but found out she thinks it's still summer. I don't know why, but what am I doing here? What am I doing here? I just want to be at. Oh my gosh, where did I sleep? I missed the only notification. The only thing I heard was breakfast. I should not have done that. I guess this is a game. I think this is a thing where I destroy things. Like, I'm gonna destroy this car. Oh shoot. I'm a suicide, I think. Yeah, I didn't die. Still happy. Sorry for the steering. Can I fit through here? Wait. I'm just gonna go to the top. Plant this here. Watch explode. What are these things? It's like if there's something. What are these notifications? Are these part of the game? I wonder what I have to do. How I get out of here? Is that supposed to be long? I didn't hit that yet. I'm gonna try to do a 360. Oh, I did 360. I'm getting no scoper. Oh, whoa! I didn't die. Dang it, I missed that shot. I think I have to be level 5 before I can go back to my home. I miss home now. I did it. I'm level 5. I think I'm going to try blowing up the place. Oh no. I feel it. I don't feel too good. I really don't feel too good. I'm going to try to see. Oh no, I don't feel too good. I'm going to try to see if... Wait. Oh, never mind. That was just a spaghetti chili I had. Wait. I'm going to do that. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh no. Something's happening. I don't feel too good. Ah! Ooh, fishing. Okay, Whoa! Oh, I'm back! Yeah! I wonder if I go in there again, will I get teleported to another place? Oh, I did it. Seems like this is like a daily, once a day or something like that occurrence. Well, I guess that's it. I'm just going back home. I don't want to be here anymore. Luckily, I have this teleporter that my father named made. It's hard for me to remember his name. Just going to go home and lay down. Oh, hey pet. How you doing? Just gonna look at my change it. Okay. Just gonna play a quick Fortnite game before I sleep. Okay. Yes, I took the dub! Okay, it took the dub. Let me just dance. I took the dub, yay. I'm gonna sleep. Good night. Hey guys! Hope you enjoyed the little role play. I decided to name it episode 1 instead of like prologue or epilogue because I don't want to search it up. I'm too lazy. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the video. Good.